लिए गए फिर स्विट्जरलैंड हनीमून के लिए गए फिर स्विट्जरलैंड वहाँ भी काम आया खुद का है।
Hello everyone, welcome to Cinebit. So just now I have finished watching Dhindora all episodes and I'm here to give my review on this. So if you want to listen more and more to our reviews and other updates about movies and web series, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Now let's start. So first of all, the story preview. This story preview is based on a lottery. The characters here are Babluji, Bhuvan's dad, Janki-ji, Bhuvan's mother, Bhuvan, Bhuvan's friends, Samir Futti, and Banchod Das. Also Banchod Das' father, Ma Kichu. Next, also Titu Mama, that is Bhuvan's uncle, and also Hola. And also it includes several cameos from several actors out there. So this is literally the characters and the main story that is based around a lottery ticket. The story is properly well written, and also there we have seen several climax and twists at the end of each and every episode. First climax coming at that Titu Mama was revealed as the killer. Next climax was the last episode right now. It was seen that Hola has killed someone. I think it might be Babluji. It's my theory. I think it might be Babluji because they have a close relation as colleagues in office. But also the negative aspect also includes these points that the illogical scenes. First of all, I will say you will be thinking that where is the illogical scenes? So first of all, I want to say in the last episode, if you see, how did Samir become a pilot? And if Samir do not have the experience to fly a plane, then I think all the passengers in the plane might die. This is ridiculous that Bhuvan has not explained this in this episode. Also, another point that I want to mention is that the character of Badri and I think Chote Mia in this web series, their characters have been mentioned and shown in 2 or 3 episodes, but what had happened to their endings, it was not shown properly in this web series. Next negative impact I would say is the time length. The time length has played a major role in the negative impact. Why? Because if you see the web series like Mirzapur or even comical any web series, you will find that they are at least over 30 minutes. But here I think none of the episodes are above 30 minutes. So these are some of the negative impacts I think this web series is lacking. Overall, if I want to say is that I would rate this web series as 3.5 out of 5, having praise for the cinematography, then the story, then Bhuvan's acting, and also the supporting cast, and also the songs. But I want to reduce the rest 1.5 because of the illogical scenes and some of the mysteries which are being left not solved, and also the time length that I mentioned. So guys, if you have liked my review, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification option. We will be coming soon with Tarap review. I think on 4th or 5th December we will be going to watch it. So until then, goodbye.
Pelo Dindora. Pelo Dindora. Joy Buban Mam.